Silence! Firing! Well, as you can see, gentlemen, we have divided the joint military operations into two groups, namely the Western Police Eagles and the Southern Police Eagles. You have all volunteered to lead a team of handpicked law enforcers under the code name Eagles. Hindi basta petty hoodlum o hold-uppers ang ating kalaban. We're up against the elite of what the new People's Army has to offer. The Sparrow Unit. They are splitting as a sparrow bird. They pounce on their prey with pinpoint accuracy. Kagaya ng sparrow, which appears to be like any ordinary bird. Ang mga miyembro ng Sparrow Unit na ito ay umahalo sa mga sibilyan, making it very hard for us to identify them. Nakita nyo na ang mga sketches. So, always be on the lookout for these suspects. Well, as you know, when the heat is on, the sparrow bird migrates to a different place. Kagaya ng ginawa ng Alsamas sa Davao. Let's make the heat in Metro Manila too hot for the members of the Sparrow units to handle. I want you all to be extra careful.
Gallo! 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 Gallo!
Proceeding to site with a slight additional backup to the necessary.
Sama niyo na. Yung kunin natin.
Hoy! Ba't tumakbo yung liberal? Yun ho.
Hoy! Saan pupunta?
Binibigyan kita ng 1 minuto para sumuko! Hold your fire! I want this man alive! Kaibigan! Sumuko ka na! Walang mangyayari sa'yo! At may pagkakataon pa para magbagong buhay ka!
Huwag niyo ako ululin! Pag sumuko ako, tiyak, pahirapan niyo ako para kumanta! Pagkatapos, papatayin niyo rin!
Kaibigan! Bumaba ka dyan! Huwag mo ituloy yan!